Hi guys, it's your here, and this is cabin 12615 on Allure of the Seas. It is a Central Park balcony. This is just after the refurb. So on the back of the door you have your muster station and your sleep off adventure sign. They don't have any of the make go home cleaning, as they only do one clean a day now. You have the thermostat. You don't put your cards in, you have the master switch, lights and for the rest of the room. Then you have the bathroom here. Got shower, toilet, you've got lots of storage, and you've got more storage here and a little drawer here. You've got lots of hanging spaces, you've got some in there, some in here, some here, and you have some stuff here as well. So you've got some room service and breakfast menus here, full length mirror here. Then you have the dressing table, vanity area, lots of space. You've got some more storage in here, very small shelves, and you've got some more in here as well. As far as I'm aware, this is the only plug in the room. I cannot find any more. There's none behind here. It's literally just this size. They did not put anything else. I don't think they did any of the rooms, so there's no more plugs. It's literally just that. You've got a mirror here with a light, more storage space up here, TV where you can look at some programs, and you can look at your bill and whatnot. Mini fridge, you can ask for it to be stocked. Hair dryer in there, and then you've got some more drawers there as well. Here you have the wardrobe. On one side you've got the safe and the cubby holes, and on the other side you have the long hanging, and you've got some more storage up here and some lower hanging as well, and the laundry thing there. This sofa bed, this is not a sofa bed, it's just a sofa. You have the coffee table here that moves about. I've seen lots of people put it onto their balconies to make more space, especially if you've got a sofa bed. It makes more space in the room. You got bin, and you got a bedside table there with a phone, and you've got another bedside table there, two bedside lights. Like I said, literally, so these move. There was literally no plugs anywhere, so it's literally just by the bed. That's the only negative I can think about the room. And you've got a really nice big bed, and you've got the nice towel animal here. Now let's get on to the balcony. Like I said, this is a Central Park balcony. And you've got a nice view. This is literally as midship as you can get. It's quite good. You can literally, from either way of the ship you can come. So yeah, you've got the new slides up there after the refurb. Yeah, they made some really nice upgrades to the ship. And here's the view of the Central Park. And then you've got two chairs and a table. So yeah, this is cabin 12615 on the newly refurbed Allure of the Seas. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. It'd be much appreciated. If you'd like to see, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's very much appreciated, and it really does help me out. Thank you guys for watching. It's been Shipface here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.